Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Range Rover. From any screen, just click on nav, and there you've got nav menu, destination entry. So we want destination entry, so click there, and you've got postcode. That's the quickest, or address. So postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, and that is PR5. No, we don't. I don't think we need a space here. Sometimes in some you need a space, but that's automatically put a space in if you've only got 2 digits. So PR5 4JS. That's it. We click OK, and then we have to click Go, even though we've clicked OK.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav. Now, to knock, once you get near your destination, you don't want it to keep telling you. So if you go back into nav menu there, and then you've got route voice guidance, and just knock that off.